Welcome to IAC. Today we are going to discuss SSC reasoning quiz. Take first question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take your given question. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way second number is related to the first number and sixth number is related to the fifth number. Friends, first number and second number, these two are related based upon one future. In the same manner, here fifth one and sixth one, these two are related based upon one future. In the same manner, we are going to replace question mark and. Friends, how 12 is related to 72? Suppose friends take here first number is what? 12. 12 square is what? 144. 144 by 2 is what? 72. Yes. That means your logic is first number square by 2 equal to second number. Same manner take once. Here 22 square. 22 square is what? Here 484. By 2 is what? Here 242. Yes. That means your logic is first number square by 2. Same manner here 18 square. 18 square is what? Here 324 and 324 by 2. Here 1, next 6, next one is 2. So answer is 162. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take your given question. In a certain code language, ROK is written as 44. Friends, here they given ROK. This one is written as 44. Next one, MIG is written as 29. Next, in the same manner here, TAL is to be written as. Friends, once observe here what the logic. Friends, here R face value is here 18. O face value 15. K is 11. Suppose take a sum of the face values 18 plus 10 28, 28 here 5 total is what 33, next 34 plus 10 total is what 44. That means here logic is sum of the face values. One check for this one also whether the logic is applicable or not. M face value 13, I face value 9, G is 7. So 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 9 is what 29. In the same manner TAL 21, 12. Total is what? 33. So 33 means your answer is option A. So for this question answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. Next, take your given question. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way the numbers in the given set. So when this set having one logic, which are the following set having same logic as given set? 269, 278. Here difference is here 9. So first number plus 9 equal to second number. So here 278, 296. Now second number plus 18 equal to third number. So here logic is first number plus 9 equal to second number plus 18 equal to third number. The same manner. So 109, 118. First number plus 9. Yes. Next second number plus 18 and. So friends here 118 plus here 18. So ending is here 6 and. But here they given 8. So this one no chance. Next one. First number plus 9. 419 plus 9 here 428. But here they given 30. No chance. Next here first number plus 9. So 577 plus 9, 586. Now 586 plus here 18. So 6 plus 8 is what? Ending is 4. But here they given 8. No chance. That means the remaining option D is the answer. Now one check here. First number plus 9. 313 plus 9. 322. Second number plus 18. 322 plus 18. Total is what? 340. So whatever the logic is followed by our given set, option D having same logic. So answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take a given question. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Friends, now we are going to replace this question mark lesson. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, in the middle row, here they given big numbers. And so how we are going to get big numbers means by squaring or cubing or by multiplying remaining rows or columns. And suppose once take here, first element is what? 6, last element is what? 8. Now 6 into 8 is what? Here 48. Next minus here last element 48 minus 8 is what? Here 40. So here logic is first number is multiplied with last number minus last number equal to middle number. Same manner. Friends, 21 into 25 only. 21 into 25 total is what? Here 525 only. 525 minus here last number is what? 25. 525 minus 25 is what? Here 500. Yes, middle number. Same manner. 14 into 7 minus 700. So 14 into 7 is what? 98. Minus 7 is what? Here 91. So answer is option D. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take care given one. 5 teachers H, K, P, R and T are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So friends, total here we are having 5 members and take care 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are sitting around a circular table but all are facing towards the center. Leave it. Friends, now take your first point. Here T is between H and R. Leave it. P is second right of R and so friends, suppose if I take this one is R, for R first right, second right is here P. P is second right of R. Next point, H is to the immediate left of T. So H and T both are immediates. So only chance is for this one. Now H is immediate left of T. Then this one is here T. T is facing inside. For T, immediate left is H. Now remaining person is what? Here K and now take this one is K. So our first point is what? T is between H and R. Now T is between H and R. Yes. Now take your question. Who is sitting immediate left of K? Friends, for K, immediate left is here R. So answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take your given one. Which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation is correct? Friends, remember for this type of questions we should remember one point. Friends, if interchanging questions if they given means compulsory go through question 8, that means options ending to starting. Why means 70% they will give options as option C or they will give option D and So simple instead of checking from A to D, then check from D to N. So friends, here the given is what here? Which of the following two numbers are interchanged to make the given equation is correct? Suppose take your option D, 7 and 4. If 7 is there means replace 4. Next, if 4 is there means replace here 7 and. So 7 and 4 both are interchanged. Now check given equation. Friends, here 9 plus 4 into 5 is what? 20 minus 18 by 2 is what is what? Here 9. Now 3 into 7 is what? 21 minus 10. 45 by 5 this one is here 9. So friends, one is what? Here 20 and so 20 equal to, now this one is here 21 minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9 minus 1, 21 minus 1 is what? Here 20. So LHS equal to RHS by interchanging 7 and 4. That means the direct answer is option D. Friends, remember for this model especially go through options ending to starting and. Instead of checking A to D, then go from D to A. Maximum they will give 70% option as your answer from maybe D or maybe C N. For this one answer is D. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, now take your given one. In a certain code language, harvest is coded as 22, 21, 7, 24, 23, 10. How will farmer is to be coded as? Friends, once take your given one. Harvest, HARVEST is to be coded as, here they given 22, next they given 21, next 7, next 24, next 20, next 3, next one is here 10. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, friends, here last letter is TN. T face value is 20, S is 19, E is 5, V 22, R is 18, A1, E is H is 8 and. Now if you are going to take face values, now we can able to get logic and. Friends, here they given 20, but here they given 22. That means here plus 2. Next, S19 they given, here they given 21. That means plus 2. E5 here they given 7 plus 2. V22 plus 2 24. R18 plus 2 20. A plus 2 here 3. H plus 2 is what? Here 10. That means a simple logic is what? Plus 2, but reverse and. Last letter will comes first, second last will comes here. First, second, like this and. Now take your given one, farmer. Friends, take a, here they given FARMER. Friends, now R face value is what? 18 plus 2 is here 20. E face value 5 plus 2 is what? Here 7. Friends, with 20 and 7, how many options here we are having? 2 options. Go for next one. Here R completed, E completed, M. M is 13 plus 2 is what? Here 15. 27, 15. 27, 15 here we are having only one option. So answer is option B. Friends, for these type of questions here, don't convert entire word. Go through the options and. So 27, 15. 27, 15 here we are having only one option. So direct answer is what? Option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So here the given one is, arrange the following words in the order in which they appear in the English dictionary order. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, each and every word, first 3 letters are same. Here we are having RIZ, here also we are having RIZ, here RIZ, here also we are having RIZ, here also we are having RIZ. First 3 letters are same. Go for next one. Here we are having H, here we are having O, here H, here I, here H. That means first H will come. So with H again, here H, here H. Next here also we are having H. Next one T, next T, next one again T. Next go for next one here E, next S, next one L. So first E will comes. After E next one L will comes. Next one here 5 will come. That means here 3, 1, 5. From 3, 1, 5 again here we are having 2 options. Now go for next remaining 2 also. After that next one is what? Here O is there, I is there. First I will come, next O will come. So answer is here. 2, next one is 4. Option D is the answer. 31524. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given one is select the option that is related to the third word in the same way second word is related to the first word. So when these two are related based upon one feature, same manner we are going to replace this food and we are going to replace question mark and. Friends, once observe here, medicine is related to disease. Friends, if you got any disease, then we are going to use medicine and. Next, at the same time, when we are going to eat food here, if you are going to get hunger, then we are going to eat food. So answer is option D. So for this question, answer is option D and D. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take care, given one. Select the letter cluster that can replace the question mark in the following series. So in this question mark place, which of the following word will come on? Suppose take here once. Here they given CXB, comma, HUI, comma, MRP, comma, ROW, comma, question mark. Friends, once observe here, if they given like this and so each and every term here we are having 3 letters. That means each and every term, first letter is one sequence, second letter is second sequence, third letter is third sequence. Once observe here, C and H, logic is here, plus 5. H and M, H is 8, M is 13, plus 5. Next one, M is 13, R is 18, plus 5. Now here, plus 5, 18 plus 5 is what? 23. 23 means here, W. So starting with the W, here we are having 2 options. Then go for next one. Friends, here WL, WL. That means here, first 2 letters are same. Go for last letter logic. Now, B and I, B face value is 2, I is 9, then this one is plus 7. I and P here, plus 7, I is 9, P is 16. Now this one is what? Here, plus 7. Now W plus 7, W is 23, plus 7 is what? Here, 30. We are having 26 alphabets. Remaining is 30 minus 26, 4. 4 means what? D. So starting is W, ending is D. Which option is there here? C is there and. So if you want, then check for second letter of the sequence. X and U, X is 24, U is 21 minus 3, U21 R 18 minus 3, R18 O 15 minus 3, O minus 3, 15 minus 3 is what here? 12, 12 means what here? L. So answer is W, L, D, option C is the answer. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take here given one. In a certain code language, rigits. Friends, take here RI, GI, DX. E is written as TF, next I, F, P. Then what will be the code for a coordinate? Suppose friends, once if you are going to observe here, friends, R and T. Once logic is what here? R is 18, T is 20 plus 2. Next, I is 9, F is 6 minus 3. G is 7, I is 9, this one is plus 2. I 9, F is 6 minus 3. D and F, this one is here plus 2. Next one is what? Here minus 3 and. That means here logic is plus 2 minus 3. Same manner here. Friends, first one is what? Here plus 2. Next one is minus 3. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. C plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 5 means here E. O minus 3. Now 15 minus 3 is what? 12. 12 means what? L. So with EL, how many options here we are having? We are having 2 options. Now go for remaining also. Next, R plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20 T. N minus 3, 14 minus 3, 11 K. E plus 2, G. T minus 3, 20 minus 3, 17. 17 means Q. So answer is EL, TK. Next, GQ. That means your answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time out. Take care again one. In the following equation, if plus is interchanged with minus and plus and minus both are interchanged. 6 is interchanged with here 7. Then which of the following would be the correct? Friends, I already said if they give an interchanging model, go through the options ending to starting options and first take here option D. 6 7 means what? 7 6. Next minus means here plus 7 6 means what? 6 7 plus means minus. Next this one is here 4 3. Next one is what? Here 100. Often this one is what? Here 70 here 60. Total is what? Here 130. 137 143 and 143 minus 43 equal to here 100. Now 100 equal to 100. That means here LHS equal to RHS by substituting option D. Friends, please remember if they give an interchanging model, so simply go through the ending options to starting options and so for this one answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Now time up. So here the again question is from Silas. Statements is true even if it is appear to be at variance with commonly known facts. Decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements. So our requirement is logically follows. That means true conclusions. Take here given statement. Some animals are elephants. Friends, take here animal. Some part of animal is a elephant and next. Take a next one. Some elephants are tiger. Take your elephant. Some part of elephant is a tiger. Take first conclusion here. Some animals are tiger. Friends, animal and tiger relation is can't say. So first one is can't say, wrong. Second one, no tiger is a animal. Tiger and animal relation is can't say. This one also wrong. Both should be wrong. Next one. Some animal are tiger. Otherwise, some tiger are animal. Both are same and if some part of A is B means compulsory some part of B is A. So some animal are tiger, otherwise some tiger are animal, both are same. Both should be wrong. Subjective predicates are same. One is positive, other one is negative. So answer is either are. So either are means answer is option C. Next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here also again question is from Silas. Here our requirement is which of the following conclusions are logically follows. That means here true conclusions. Take here given statements. No A is B and friends take here A. This no A is B. Next all C are D. Next some C are B. Take here C. Some part of C is B. Next one is all C are D and all C are D. Take first conclusion. Some D are B. Friends, here some part of D is a B. Yes, first conclusion is true. Second one, some B are C. Some part of B is mixed with here C. Some B are C. Second one is true. Third one, all C are B. Between C and B, we know only some. All means we can't say. That means here answer is only 1 and 2 follows. So answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Now, take here given one. 2 points of the same dice are shown. Select the number that will be on the face opposite to one showing 6. Friends, our requirement is opposite to 6 is which one? Once if you are going to observe here in the two different views, here we are having 3 5, here also we are having 3 5. In the two different views of a one die, if two numbers are same, then remaining two numbers are opposite. So 3 and 5 both are here common and now remain two numbers. That means 1 is opposite to 6. So 6 is opposite to 1. So answer is option A. Next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Select the set of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given letter series will complete the series. For this one, analyze the sequence. If not, substitute the options and once take your options. Here K, next L, next K, next L, next one is M. Friends, once if you are going to observe here we are having KLM series and KLM. That means first K 2 times, double K, L, double M. So double K, L, double M. Next one, after that next one is for after K, next L is 2 times. So double L, next one M, next one is double K. Next after that, so first one is K 2 times, next L 2 times, next one is for again M 2 times. So double M, next K, L, double L. Next after double L, next one is for again double K, next one L, double M. That means here sequence is KLM. First K 2 times, next one L 2 times, next M 2 times, again K 2 times. Next ending and first M 2 times, K 2 times, next L 2 times, again M 2 times. But here L, M, K, L. Here one letter L, next M, next K, next one again L. So by substituting option A only, we are getting this series is repeating. So answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts. Time up. Select the option in which the given figure is embodied. Rotation is not allowed. So when this figure is hidden in which of the following 4 figures, but here no chance to rotate and now. So first option number 1, it is not there. Option number 2, it is not there. 3 also it is not there. That means here answer is for option D. Once if you are going to observe here option D, friends take care, this shape is hidden. That means your answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take here given one. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, for this type of question, take diagram to compare with diagram 1 and here plus is middle or here plus is here this right side middle and that means here plus is moving here one place, here off. Again plus here to here means again here half part, again here half part moving. That means next diagram here plus will move one part means here half means now plus will be left side. So plus will be left side. Which are the following options there? Once check here left side middle. So here not there, here not there, here not there. That means your answer is for option CM. Friends, no need to check for entire end. Just take only one parameter then analyze. So for this one answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take here given one. Amit is brother of Sonia. Friends take here Amit. This Amit is brother of here Sonia. Next one. Jyoti is sister of Nikita. And friends take here Jyoti. This Jyoti is sister of here Nikita. Go for next one. Sonia is daughter of Sati's father. This Sonia is the daughter of Sati's father. That means Sonia and Sati's both are siblings. Now Sonia is the daughter of here Sati's father. Next Nikita is the daughter of Kavinder. Now friends here they given Nikita. This Nikita is daughter of here Kavinder. Next who is the father-in-law of Mukesh? Here who qualifies here? Kavinder. Now Kavinder is father-in-law of Mukesh. So friends take this one is suppose take this one is here Mukesh. Now Kavinder is father-in-law of Mukesh. Leave it. Next one Jyoti is the mother of Amit. Now friends, take here Jyoti. So this Jyoti is here, mother of Amit andi. So Amit, Sonia, Satish, these three are siblings. Now Jyoti is the mother of Amit. If you know about Jyoti means, now Jyoti and Nikita both are siblings, and then this one is here Nikita. Nikita also daughter here. Next Kavinder is father, and take this one is here Kavinder. Next, so here the given is what here, Nikita is daughter of Kavinder, who is the father-in-law of Mukesh, leave it. Jyoti is mother of Amit. Mukesh is Nikita's only sister's husband. Now friends, take here, Nikita's only sister is what? Jyoti. Jyoti husband is what? Here Mukesh. Now Mukesh is son-in-law of Kavinder. Otherwise, here the given is what? Who is? Kavinder is father-in-law of Mukesh. Now Kavinder is father-in-law of Mukesh. Question is what? How Kavinder is related to Satish? Friends, how Kavinder is related to Satish means answer is what? Grandfather. Grandfather means answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take care again one. The sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figure. How would this paper look when it is unfolded? So when this one is our actual paper, it is divided into three parts. Left folded to middle, right folded to middle. We are having only middle part. It is divided into two parts. Again top is folded to bottom. We are having only bottom part. Folding is from top to bottom. Unfolding is from bottom to top. That means your triangle is going to invert. Now this circle. Folding is left to middle. Unfolding is middle to left. That means here this triangle, here this circle, here this triangle, again this circle. Here folding is from right to middle. Unfolding is from middle to right. Then here this triangle, here this one, here circle, here circle. So like this, which are the following diagram is there? Here triangles are downwards, no chance. Here this one is no chance. Here three triangles upward, three are downwards. That means your answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take care again one. In a certain code language, here wardrobe, WARDROBE, is to be written as YX VY XHJV. How will be accurate is to be written as. Friends, once observe here, W and Y logic is what here? Plus 2. Next A and X. Friends, take care X, Y, Z, and A minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is what? X. Next R and V. R is 18, V is 22. Then this one is what? Plus 4. So plus 2, minus 3, plus 4. Next one is what? Minus 5. Next one is plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24. X. Next one minus 7. Next one is what? Plus 8. Next one is minus 9. So your logic is plus 2, minus 3, plus 4 like that. So plus and minus alternative one. Now take your given one. Accurate. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, here logic is what? First one is plus 2 1. Plus 2, minus 3. Next plus 4, minus 5. Plus 6, minus 7. Plus 8, minus 9. So friends, A plus 2. A plus 2 is what? Here C. Next C minus 3. C minus 3 is what? Here Z. So with CZ, how many options here we are having? We are having two options. CZ, CZ. Go for next letter end. Now C plus 4. C is 3. Plus 4 is what? 7. 7 is what? G. So C, Z, G. C, Z. So friends, here C, Z, Z. Here we are having only one option. That means your answer is option C N. Don't convert entire word. So first three letters and C, Z means with CZ here we are having two options. Go for next letter here G. So C, Z, G here we are having only one option. So answer is option C. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So take here again one. 4 lateral clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner while 1 is different. Select the odd one out. So out of given 4 options, 3 same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Suppose friends take a n opposite is m, s opposite is here s. Next b opposite is y, next g opposite is here t. That means a simple logic they given opposite letters and now d opposite here w, next I opposite here r, next f opposite is here u, but here they given here v. So which of the following is different one means answer is option D. Next take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. Friends, if it is a mirror image or water image, and here the again question is here mirror image. Friends, remember, if it is a mirror image or water image, don't convert entire given word and simply eliminate the options. So take your given one. Which of the option figure is exact mirror image of the given figure when the mirror is placed at the right side of the figure? And friends, if it is a mirror image, left is right and right is left. Sequence is R to X. That means mirror image means X to R. So X to R means last two options are eliminated. Next go for next one here 1 and 2. Here they given K is same, but mirror image K is left is right, right is left. But here they given same is this option no chance. That means remaining option B is the answer. And take next one. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Select the option in which the words share the same relationship that is shared by the given pair of words. So these two is going to share some relation. So which of the following having same relation? Now clock, here time. So friends, here clock is the instrument. It is used to measure the time and it is used to measure the time. Next anemometer. Anemometer used to measure the wind speed and now here they given strains no chance. So first one is they given wrong combination. Second one. Next tensiometer. This one is used to measure the strains, but here they given wind. This one also no chance. Balance is used to measure the here weight, but here they given scale no chance. Next ammeter. Ammeter used to measure the current. So option D is the answer. And next take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So question is how many rectangles are there in the given figure? And number of rectangles. Suppose friends take only this part and only this part. Now here this one is one rectangle, this one is one rectangle, this one is one rectangle 3. Next after combination take 2 to combination. Here this one is one rectangle 4, this one is one rectangle 5, entire one is one rectangle 6. So instead of counting like this, take a small rectangles 1, 2, 3 and 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. That means total is part. For this part 6 and here also 1 2 3. Here total is part 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 is part 6. Now take care of the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 and suppose take sum here 6 plus 5 11. Next 15 18 20 21. That means for this part 21. So here 6 12. Next 21 total is part here 33. Next one friends, once if you are going to observe here, this one is a one rectangle. Now this one is a one rectangle. Now again 2 rectangle extra. So answer is part 35. Option B is the answer.